In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Shopify tax documents. 5 minutes. Let's walk through the exact path in your Shopify admin to export the tax information you need for filing or sharing with your accountant. Start by opening your Shopify admin in a web browser and make sure you're logged into the correct store, especially if you manage more than one. You will also want an account with permission to view analytics and export reports. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Analytics. This section gathers all of your store's performance data, and it's where Shopify organizes reports that summarize sales, payments, and taxes. When Analytics opens, choose Reports. You'll see categories and a search bar at the top so you don't have to scroll through everything. Use the search bar to type the word taxes. Shopify will filter the list and surface the taxes report. Click the taxes report to open it. You'll now see line items that summarize tax collected by jurisdiction. Before exporting, check your date range at the top of the report. Set it to the exact period you need, such as last year for annual filings, or a specific quarter for quarterly returns. Adjusting the date range here ensures your export includes the right transactions. In the report view, look for the three-dot More Actions menu, typically near the top right of the table. Click it to reveal options, then choose Export. A dialog will appear asking how you want the data delivered. Select your preferred format. CSV is a safe choice for most accounting tools and spreadsheets, while Excel can be helpful if you plan to do additional filtering and pivoting. Next, specify which rows you want included. Depending on what Shopify offers in your plan, you can usually export the current page, all rows in the report, or the full date range you selected. For tax prep, all rows for the selected period is usually best so you don't miss any jurisdictions or adjustments. Review any options related to columns or time zone if shown, so your numbers line up with your filing requirements. Finally, click Export to confirm. Shopify will either download the file directly to your computer or email a download link to the address associated with your admin account. Save the file with a clear name that includes the store, period, and format, and keep a copy in your bookkeeping folder. If you need separate documents for different stores or years, repeat these steps with the appropriate date range. That's it, your Shopify tax documents are ready to use.